Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best meat tenderizer you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Jacquard 48 Blade Meat Tenderizer, Original Super 3 Meat Tenderizer. As the product's name implies, this handy tool has a total of 48 knife blades to tenderize your meat. These knives penetrate the meat through their connective tissues, the ones that are responsible for making the meat tough, and create tiny heat channels from within. The said heat channels allow the meat to be cooked faster than the regular, resulting in a reduced cooking time of up to 40%. This will let your meat retain its juiciness at the same time tender and even have more flavor in it. Your marinating would not be the same either. Using this product on your meat will not only tenderize it, but it would also give a pathway for the marinade to be absorbed without changing its shape and appearance. It even increases the absorption rate of marinades up to 600%. The heat channels also allow you to cook the meat squarely across varying thickness, preventing overcooking or undercooking. With the help of Jacquard's Super Tendermatic 48 Blade Tenderizer, you do not have to worry about your meat getting too small, as well as this helps reduce your cooking time evenly. It also helps you get away from unnecessary meat shrinkage. This item can be a good buy considering what it can do. But be careful with what you buy though, as this product is very popular, which means there are a lot of imitations and knockoffs out there. Pros: fits your hands, stands at only 4.3 inches, 10 centimeters. Lightweight, weighs only 15.7 ounces, 0.45 kilogram. Perfect to use on less expensive cuts of meat. Cons: there are fakes of this product everywhere. Cleaning this can be a daunting task. Number 2. Weston Manual Heavy Duty Meat Cuber Tenderizer, Sturdy Aluminum. If you like making the meat tender and thin for a seamlessly cubed steak, schnitzel, or chicken fried steak, etc., this one might be the right kitchen gadget for you. Perfect for hunters, gardeners, and food enthusiasts. The Weston Manual Heavy Duty Meat Cuber Tenderizer might not be the traditional tenderizer, but it features a durable all-metal design. It also features steel combs that prevent jamming the machine. You can now tenderize pounds of meat in just a few turns of the crank handle. It has a total of 31 stainless steel blades, a sturdy base, and 2 C-clamps to enable mounting on counters. The design is compact enough for easy storage and includes a pair of stainless steel tongs to safely place the meat in the device. With the help of this manual meat tenderizer device, you can reduce the cooking time of your favorite meals once it has been tenderized. You can also maximize the success of your marinades and get the desired delicious flavors. It also has a food-safe coating, so no need to worry about chemical stuff trying to mix in with the food. Highlighted features: sturdy aluminum metal construction, total of 31 pieces of stainless steel blades, includes a pair of stainless steel tongs. Food-safe coating. Pros: compact design for easy storage. Components are safe for dishwashing. Cons: needs to be disassembled for cleaning. It is very expensive. Number 3. KitchenAid Gourmet Meat Tenderizer, one size, black. The KitchenAid Gourmet Meat Tenderizer is a hammer-style unit with a flat face and a spiked face. It tied as one of the cheapest in the test. The first big surprise when picking up the KitchenAid was how bad the handle was. It's much thicker than any of the other mallets, and it put the thick side of the handle against the first joint of my fingers with the skinny part against my palm. It was much more comfortable to hold with the head parallel to the table. It's also on the light side for a mallet, so it took a good amount of power to get a good whack on the chicken breasts. The spiked side was a little better, and the spikes did an okay job penetrating the meat. They also stayed relatively clean throughout the process. Aside from the awkward handle, this mallet was easy to put where I wanted it to go. That handle made the angles a little off sometimes, which led to the edge digging into the meat a little bit. The chicken cutlet came out reasonably well. The flat side is not quite flat, which made the finished product a little uneven. The mallet is also a little too light to get a really good whack in, which didn't help against these monster breasts. The beef was also reasonable. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Meat Tenderizer, Multicolor. OXO makes the easiest to handle, easy to grip and highly durable meat tenderizers. This one is an amazing tool, great for tenderizing meat of various shapes and thickness. The head has two sides, flat for chicken and textured for meat. It is a one-piece aluminum mallet with a non-slip handle for easy grip. Spring Chef is an amazing hammer tool to reduce your cooking time and let you enjoy perfectly and evenly cooked chicken, steak and veal that is juicy, flavorful and so tender you can cut it with a butter knife. Its soft grip handle is great for those with arthritis. It needs a very small effort to practically do the job itself thanks to its weighted head. Its solid aluminum construction with chrome plating is more sanitary than wood and can be washed in hot water to kill bacteria for safer cooking. Spring Chef Meat Tenderizer is dishwasher safe and easier to clean than other types of tenderizers in which meat can get stuck on many tiny blades and be impossible to remove. Its excellent value for money and its resistance to corrosion. The meat fibers and fat from the meat that you tenderize stick to the little sharp points and require a ton of scrubbing and rinsing to get it all off. And you must get it all off, otherwise you will have rotting meat sitting on your tenderizer while it's in the drawer touching all your other utensils. Pros: light in weight, perfect grip and size, easy to use, non-slip grip, heavy duty. Cons: not much to say. Number 5. Special Meat Tenderizer Tool. 48 blades stainless steel. You will agree that 2-inch deep cuts from 48 stainless blades in a simultaneous punch move is quite a lot. Well, that is what you get with the X Special Meat Tenderizer. These surgical cuts are effective at tenderizing in single motions, thus making this tenderizer much faster to work with. These blades are manufactured as professional quality blades, thus, they never rust, discolor, bend, break, or get dull. The handle likewise is practically everlasting too, as it is manufactured with professional grade ABS plastic. Compatible for use with all kinds of meat and fish. Not only do you save on gas, electric bills, but the X Special reduces your cooking time, so your meat, fish gets done faster. The deep lacerations also allow for fast and deeper flavor absorption. The X Special's blades are designed such that they do not tear out your meat or disfigure. Pros: 2 colors, several blades for quicker operation, comfortable and easy to use. Deep cuts allow for better flavor absorption and faster cooking time. Professional grade blades never rust, discolor, bend, break, or get dull. ABS plastic handle, slim, sharp blades cut through tough tissue without disfiguring your meat, easy to dismantle for cleaning. Dishwasher safe. Cons: the deep laceration design allows the retractable blade springs to get stuck easily, which delays your work. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.